15, Part 3, Translation. À qui as-tu parlé? So here's a passé composé of parler. To whom have you spoken? Or to whom did you speak? De quoi as-tu parlé? About what have you spoken? Or about what did you speak? So here the quoi has changed to de because it's followed, or to the quoi has changed from que because it follows de. So about what or of what did you speak? Qui parla? So here's a passé simple of parler, the past tense, simple past tense. So who spoke? Qu'est-ce qui fait ce bruit? We've got a que, a what question, and est qui indicating that this is a question. Fait ce bruit, what makes this noise? What is making this noise? Qui est-ce qui parle? We've got a who, and then the est qui indicating it's a question. Who is speaking? Who's speaking? And this final one's pretty informal. C'est qui parle? It's literally, it is who is speaking. So we would just say who's speaking. But this is what people say all the time. It's not very elegant to repeat the same word. Say qui parle, but it's just how people talk normally every day in a very informal way.